Hello, good morning to all my dear students and parents. Welcome to another session of online class. So, how are you all? Are you all practicing reading and writing in all the subjects, not only in English? In English, in Hindi, in maths, and in EVS, only learning. So now today, after learning so many letters, I am going to make you learn today the formation of first letter of A to Z. That is A. A for apple. After learning writing of C, writing of O, now today I am going to teach you how to write A. And we all know what is the sound of A? It's A. It's not A, it's A. A for apple. A for arrow. So you can learn the pictures. You can draw apple and you can draw arrow. You know which color is of apple? It is of color red. And arrow you can color whatever color you love. Okay? So let me start first by drawing apple for you. So you all know how to draw apple? A for apple. So here you can draw the apple, see. And arrow, drawing of arrow is very easy. Anyone can draw arrow. You all know what is arrow? These days you must be watching Mahabharata and Ramayana on television. So you must be seeing bow and arrow. So that is arrow. So for A for apple, you can learn to draw and color apple and arrow. Now let us start the formation of A. The formation of A is very easy. Same way you have to start as you start for C. The same pattern is there. Now let us see how to start. Put the pencil on the dot. Your pencil should be very sharp. Slant up, a little ahead, back, down, touch the blue line, now straight up. Don't make a circle like O. No, you don't have to make the circle like O. Come down and a small tick. See, this is the formation of A. Let us write again. Put the pencil on the dot, slant up. Just like you're writing C, write down C. Now don't make a circle. Go straight up, join with the same line, come down and make a small tick. So this is A. Okay? So let us again do the same way. Starting from the corner, slant up. Just make C. Straight up with the same line down and a small tick. See how beautiful is A. So this is the small A in cursive pattern. Don't write A like this. It is not like O. It is not so round. Don't like this also. This is also wrong formation. This I am telling you because I have noticed that some of the students try to make like this. No, you are not going to make this way, then lifting your hand, then lifting your hand. No. You will not lift your hand again and again. You are going to make A in one stroke. Okay? बिल्कुल C की तरह start करना है. And then you have to go up. You don't have to make round. You have to go up. With the same line, you have to come down and a small tick. That is the formation of A. It's very easy. When you know how to write C, when you know how to write O, very easily you can write A also. Okay? So children, do practice writing of A and learn to draw A for apple, A for arrow. And with A, you also practice U, I, W, Y, M, N, C, O. See how many letters we have learned. And today we have learned A. So again, see, A for apple, A for arrow. The formation of A is starting from the dot, slant up, make C. Don't make round, just go up straight. With the same line, come down and a small tick. You don't have to make O. No, you don't have to make O. Remember this. When you complete C, with the straight line go up and with the same line come down and a small tick. So, कितना इजी है? और बेटा आपको पढ़ना है, जो भी कुछ मैम आपको सिखाती हैं आपको उसको लिखना है, ओके? तभी आपको इस ऑनलाइन क्लास का फ़ायदा होगा. तो जैसे मैम आपको कॉपी में वर्क कराती हैं आपको भी वैसे ही वर्क करना है. और जब आपके स्कूल खुलेंगे तब आपका सारा वर्क हम चेक करेंगे. इज इट क्लियर? सो नाउ see my another session also and then you start writing A. Bye bye.